Welcome back in Mantinder, and I'm going to tell you about the Oppo handset, and I'm going to give you some simple steps. And I'm going to very special. This video is very special for you because today I'm going to tell you about the Oppo handsets. Any type of any models of Oppo, you can unlock any Android of Oppo handset. You can unlock sitting at home without going to be visited of any service center or any help of computer. So this method is called offline method. First of all, you check your handset must in flight mode and your battery percentage must in 40 to 50%. So I am going to tell you now. You can able to see this code. This phone is logged through the password, and you can able to see the emergency call button in screen on my handset. So press the emergency call button because the phone does not turn off during the unlocking process. Let's start. You can see the bottom interface area. So I am in emergency call button and apply this code with me and unlock your handset without help of without loss of any data. You can unlock your handset of Oppo. So I'm going to tell you this code is a star hash. I'm going to zoom you. A star hash 4 times 6, a star 844 and hash. Now call here on this number, and you can and you able to see call failed option is given. Ignore this message, and now erase this code and apply a star hash 899 and hash. Before the hash, this code is very important for us for unlocking process. So I'm going to press, and you able to see Indian mode page is activated on your screen right now. So first check your software version, whatever your Android version, what is your main board version, whatever it is. So I'm going to same number because our Android version is 12. So I'm pressing here 12 number, 12 time here. After that, you come back from this option and press manual test and go the device debugging page and press here sensor self test calibration and press the home. Press the both the option on the gyroscope and accelerometer. One have to must be passed. So as you can see, this is failed now. So I am going to again this process. I am going to doing this process again. Again we have to repeat this process till wait for the past. Now you can able to see gyroscope is past. There are so many comments. You are clicking the fingerprints on back side, so you can able to see this phone is not, there is no option in finger lock. So I'm going to come back, and the last option and the important and last option after swiping the last page, you can able to see there are 4 5 option is given. So first we have to check your direct important lock test and confirm here, and come back from this option, and you have to check again. We have to press because we are already in come back in the option and first mainboard version. So whatever you have pressed on Android version, same number you have to press because I'm going to press our Android as per Android version. Our Android version is 12. So whatever your Android board version is, if your Android version is 10 8 5 6 any, you can press the same. And now after completing all the process, hold the process that our phone is unlocked or not. Otherwise, let's press the home button and see whether our phone is unlocked or not. So press the home button, and you can able to see our phone is unlocked without help of any computer and without help of any visiting of service center. So I hope you guys you like this video. Subscribe our channel, like and share.